in having our breakfast, waiting for our food to come. We're going to be getting a scooter and exploring today, which is going to be great. These are my favorite travel days, where we get a scooter and we go kind of place to place and go explore. So we are here on the Big Star, so we'll be going something like this and then back. That'll be one day for us. Hey guys, so here we are at basically the foot of the mountain at the Dragon Temple, also known as Mua Cave. Yeah. Can't wait, it already looks incredible. We just scooted here from our hostel like 10 minutes to get here, and it already looks incredible. You can see the pathway up through the mountain with the dragon on top, and we're gonna fly the drone up there. This is gonna be epic, man. So we made it to this viewpoint here. Oh man, not exactly towards the dragon yet, but a little temple over here. I guess we'll catch our breath for a second here, and then we'll be going up to the dragon up there. Oh, the dragon. The dragon. Oh, the dragon. So we made it to the top. Pretty incredible. How you feeling, Ivana? You tired? Yeah. I was tired. Me too. So we came up from the bottom. There's a beautiful town over there, rice field town, farming town. We're on that little monument over there. We came all the way across. Now we're up here. It's a foggy day, but the fog almost adds to it, you know? It's kind of like a spiritual place, and you've got this kind of fog here, you know, adding to the whole ambiance. Wow, that place is incredible, man. Not even 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, and we've already done that. I don't know how this day is going to get any better, but our next stop is going to the boat tour. So we'll see you guys there. So I'm definitely not fast on the scooter, getting passed by 60-year-old ladies driving barefoot. But we're here at the boat tour, so we'll see you in there.
We're at the start of the boat tour here in Trang An. So we share the boat with 2 other people, and we have no idea what's in store. I think we'll visit some temples along the way. There are 3 different routes that you can go to, but we chose number 1, so we'll see.
That was incredible. 320 meters. The roof is like here. Third cave we're going down. This one's 250 meters, so pretty long. These caves are amazing. Would you say this has been worth $12?
Yeah.
definitely worth
So cool.
$12. Worth $120.
We still got more.
Oh, that was awesome. Wow, man, that was amazing.
Yeah.
That was just
I would
incredible.
say it's 10 out of 10, right?
I would say it's 10 out of 10, absolutely. Those caves are incredible. Like 1.5 meters high, 320 meters long, with a massive rock on top of your head, and you kind of sneak through on a boat. That was amazing.
That was so cool.
That's probably the best $12 I've ever spent in my life.
Yeah.
That was incredible. I don't know what else Vietnam has in store for us, but that so far for me was a highlight of the trip. Just incredible. So next stop is something called Bai Dinh Pagoda. We'll see you there. Hey guys, we just got here at Bai Dinh Pagoda. We got our tour guide here named Chung.
Hello, everybody.
She's really great. She's really helpful. So we're gonna go see the oldest pagoda in Vietnam. A pagoda is a Buddhist religious place where you don't worship gods and kings, you worship the Buddha.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go see the oldest pagoda in Vietnam. It was built in 1136. I'm really excited with our great tour guide here, Chung. Okay, see you guys.
And here you can see there are two statues. They are protector. They are guardians of pagoda. So in the pagoda, you usually see there are two guardian statues. So most Vietnamese people, we usually call them the good man and the bad man. But just a name, they both a good person. They protect for pagoda. So the good man, he holds a pole to encourage people should do a lot of good action in the future. And the bad man, he holds a weapon to punish everyone have done bad action in the past. So sometimes we think the good man, we call them the good man, the bad man is it shows the good thing and the bad thing in a heart, in our heart. So in our heart we have a good thing and a good way and a bad way, like some. And we get them to see.
Come. So we just finished up in the old pagoda, really amazing, really incredible. We're on to the new pagoda now, which they started building in 2003 and is still under construction. But it's pretty epic, pretty massive. Look at this thing behind me. So, on to the new pagoda.
But you know the view outside is higher than inside a little bit. So when you enter pagoda, if you want to respect to put down anyone inside, you step over this fence and then your head will bend down a little bit. And so you have to respect everyone inside.
Oh, so you don't step here? No.
Yeah, we don't step here.
I see, it's lower. Yeah, it is lower.
So,
So it's like a bow.
oh.
Three statues symbolizing the past, the present, and the future. Past, present, future. Pretty incredible. I feel like I know a bunch about Buddhism now because of my teacher, Chung Tri. Really glad we got the tour guide for this massive pagoda because we wouldn't know what anything was. Right?
We learned a lot today.
Look at his head.
So that's it for us at Bai Dinh Pagoda. Really great day so far. 3 things in a row. Boom, boom, boom. Really banging them off. So we got one more thing to see if there's time. I think there is the ancient capital of Hoa Lu.
Yeah.
So we'll get back on the scooter and we'll see you guys there. having some tea with the owner of the hostel. Green tea for you, man.
Thank you is come on.
Come on.
Yeah.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, nice.